Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. This is going to be a Duino-Coin related video. It is essentially some updates, some news related to Duino-Coin over the past 2 to 3 months. And firstly, Kolka rewards should be fixed. I know some users were reporting problems with the reward system and how they maybe weren't earning enough Duco from mining. So the developers are constantly working on that, and they are relying on your reports on the Discord and the Duino-Coin GitHub to rectify those issues, which they hopefully have done. Be sure to report any issues on the GitHub or the Discord. Another feature which has come up in relation to Duino-Coin, it's more of a service, is DoCopay. You could think of it sort of like PayPal, but it's with Duino-Coin. You can use Duino-Coin to buy things. I'm not too sure how it works. I haven't signed up for it yet, but I know that there are different shops which you can use Duino-Coin to purchase products from. I will put a link in the description box below to that service, DoCopay. And additionally, there is a new feature. It's related to IoT, also known as Internet of Things, where if you use an ESP8266 or an ESP32 to mine Duino-Coin, as I've shown here, this is a Wemos D1 Mini. It is the revision 2 version, I believe. There are different revisions, but they all use the same chip, the ESP8266, which has onboard Wi-Fi. That's important. And right now it is connected to a DHT22 humidity and temperature sensor. You can also use the DHT11, which is the blue one. This is the DHT22, which is in white. And right now I have it hooked up to the Wemos D1 Mini, and it actually is collecting data, temperature and humidity data, right from this sensor over here, and reporting it back to the cloud. So if I log on to the web wallet, there is a box where you can see the temperature and humidity as reported by this sensor right over here. And since the Wemos D1 Mini or any ESP8266 or ESP32 boards only need a power supply to start mining, as it has onboard Wi-Fi, you can plug this into any USB power supply and you can get the temperature and humidity depending on the environment or the location the sensor is placed in. So that's just a cool feature I've been essentially working with, and I'm sure that this IoT integration into Duino-Coin will be expanding in the future, which is really, really cool. I do enjoy working with these sensors and being able to report data wirelessly. So and plus it is easy to set up. There are 4 pins on the sensor. The right pin, as you're looking from here, is the ground pin. The second pin from the left, so it skips 1 pin in between the ground and the connection to the Wemos D1. This is connected to digital pin 3 on the Wemos D1, which you can see is over here. And lastly, the leftmost pin is connected to 3.3 volts to power this DHT22 sensor. And I just put it on a breadboard like this. Very, very simple to set up. And the code is in the GitHub repository. If you download release 3.0, I believe there isn't the updated code with the IoT integration in the zip file. So you will need to download the code directly from the GitHub repository folder. You click on the ESP8266 code and it is the latest code. I'm not sure if ESP32 works with this IoT integration. I do not have an ESP32, so I cannot test it out, but I'm sure that if it isn't, the developers are constantly working on it to get it working. So this is very cool. It displays real-time temperature and humidity data, which is another feature which it just adds to the Duino-Coin and really makes it what makes Duino-Coin unique from other coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum, for example. So if you have any questions, any suggestions or comments of any of these, feel free to leave them in the description box below. I will be sure to keep on updating you guys with any Duino-Coin related news, updates, or anything which I find interesting. So with that said, this is just a quick video, quick short Duino-Coin update video, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.